Let's make salad for this video. We have lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, sweet corn, onions. And of course, we have sliced boiled eggs, our salad dressing. And now let's mix all our ingredients. So we have a lettuce here. And we have the tomatoes, cucumber, corn, and onions. So we're going to mix all the ingredients together and put it in a bowl. So after that, just mix all of the ingredients and it's ready to eat. It's very simple. And also, I would like to say thank you for my supporters, to my subscribers, like Master TV and Desden. Shout out to you, Kapitbahay USA, Ati GV TV, thank you so much. Princesses, thank you so much. I know Chris, shout out to you. Manapurit TV, shout out to you. Nias Ahmad 007, shout out to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Si Marie sa Sakura, thank you so much Marie. Wong Tainan, Aitan Chen, thank you so much. Maria Ansay, shout out to you. Kabayang Nida, thank you so much. Rickman Mix Vlogs, thank you so much. Jesse Adventures and Bites and Miles by Ace. And also Adriano Agra, thank you so much. And of course to other subscribers like Ati Sally and sino pa ba ang iba? Ovens Agri Home, thank you so much. James Kidok TV, thank you so much. Shout out to you. Rina, what is the name of this? Rina, sino pa ba? Kuisdong, thank you so much. Sino pa ba yung hindi ko na isa-shout out? But anyway, shout out ko na lang kayo next time sa iba. Maraming salamat. And God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.